Hello YouTube and Mr. Forks, sorry for the late video, been ill all week, still ill but now I'm out and about. So this is just kind of a quick video to go over a couple of things, and one of them is assigning multiple textures to the same object and also assigning video to objects. We can see that we've got this kind of cube, and the idea is that it's a video cube, so each in between each face, as it were, you can see we can light them all up if we just hover over each one, can be assigned an individual photo, video file or texture. I'm just going to use photos for the demonstration of the tutorial, but in this video, this face right here does in fact have a video. It's hard to tell, but if we render it here, you can see it's on this frame of the video, and if we scrub forward to about this frame, you can see it's now going to be on this frame, and that's just a frame from a intro video I did for Icy Rhythms, a friend of mine on YouTube. Okay, so that's the kind of effect we want. Basically it's kind of like a news ball, so we're going to have loads of different videos all over it with all the top news articles, and we can like animate it so that it spins round, and then we zoom into one video file and then it will like just fade. But we're just going to focus on assigning material. So what I did, created a new material file, new material, and because I wanted just the video file playing, I turned off, made sure all the other different attributes or nodes were turned off, and just in the colour where it says texture, we're just going to click here and we're just going to choose the video file we want, and it is as simple as that. You can press yes. Because I haven't actually saved the document, I'm going to press no. Basically what this does, it will save a local copy of the video file close to the document, so it's easy to copy the project file, but we're going to click no. And you can see it says the resolution, which is this, and what you want to do is click on your cube, press C to make it editable, and then go over to this side and press this button here, which goes into face mode, and then you can select the face and literally drag and drop our new material, which I believe is this one here, and just drag it onto that face, and bam, now that face has a video file. As you can see now, they've both got the video file, but one is positioned well and one isn't. And what we want to do is just change it from UVW mapping to cubic, and that instantly will improve things a little bit. And you want to set it to tile, but just tile it once and once. Reduce the length. You can see the good thing is that we've actually got some kind of like live update of where it is at the moment. We want to offset it and just play around with these settings until you get it kind of central. I actually want it to be slightly smaller, so I'm just going to reduce the X length, then move it on X, then move it up because we want obviously the Icy Rhythms to be central, and bam, we've now got Icy Rhythms in there. If we scrub forward, we can see that we've now got video footage in there. Go here, bam, you can see. But obviously, like I said, we've got two of the same pieces of video footage, but what you want to do is put loads of different video footage. I would do here's one I did earlier, but I haven't done one earlier because I'm lazy and ill, but I wanted to get this video done. And then just go through and put videos on all your different things, and then like I said, if you just get a camera, animate the camera spinning around the box and then zooming into an image. Just Google render Cinema 4D or export, and it will tell you how to then get that footage into another piece of software, or I may do that in the future. If you want me to, just post a comment below. But I hope this was helpful. So it's really easy to assign video. It's the same as pictures. Just make sure you turn off the other things. What you might want to do is actually add some specularity to it. You could even add some reflection, but have the mix the brightness really low down and add some specular with low width, lots of height, and then if we then render that, you can see it's slightly orangey, and that's basically because that you can see that this frame is actually orange, and that's only because it's reflecting some kind of weird sky effect that I have on. Once you get lights in the scene, it'll look cool, but even that looks quite cool. But you want different video footage. And you can see we're getting some nice reflections on the actual image now, which is cool. So yeah, so play around with some reflections and stuff. So that was quite a quick tutorial. Hope it was helpful. Now you can start creating some video cubes of your own. To create it, I literally just duplicated loads of small pancake looking, let's go back into object mode, loads of small pancake looking, well, I say pancake, they're square, but them sort of things, and just kind of move them around. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another tutorial or a short film or a blog. Man, I do so much. Cheers.
Done. What a bouncy castle.